History of Brunswick Corporation. Navigating innovation since 1845. Founded by John Moses Brunswick in Cincinnati, Ohio, on September 15, 1845, Brunswick Corporation has charted a course of innovation for over 178 years. Initially envisioned as a carriage manufacturing business, the company pivoted to billiard tables, quickly gaining commercial success. Renamed J.M. Brunswick and Balke Company in 1874 after a merger, it continued to grow, incorporating H.W. Collender Company in 1879 to acquire patented billiard cushions. Throughout the late 19th and early 20th centuries, Brunswick diversified its product line, producing ornate bars, sporting equipment, and even venturing into automobile tires and phonographs. In 1960, the company officially became the Brunswick Corporation, marking a turning point in its evolution. Over the years, Brunswick entered the leisure and marine industries, becoming a major yacht and pleasure boat manufacturer in the 1980s. Best inventions beyond billiard tables. Brunswick's legacy of innovation includes pioneering bowling equipment, manufacturing sporting goods, and even developing unique military products during World War II. Such as small target drone aircraft for the U.S. military, the company continued to diversify its portfolio, entering the fitness equipment market and acquiring marine electronics providers, including Navico in 2021, reinforcing its commitment to technological advancements. Recent developments, expanding horizons. In a strategic move, Brunswick Corporation completed the acquisition of Navico in October 2021, adding leading marine electronics brands like Lowrance, Simrad, B&G, and CMAP to its impressive lineup. The acquisition further solidifies Brunswick's position as a global leader in the recreational marine industry. Current status. As of December 2023, Brunswick Corporation stands as a publicly traded entity on the NYSE under the symbol BC, with a global presence and more than 13,000 employees across 24 countries. The company reported sales of $5.8 billion. Under the leadership of CEO David Fowles, Brunswick continues to thrive in its core industries, including marine products and fitness equipment. The acquisition of Freedom Boat Club in 2019 exemplifies Brunswick's commitment to expanding its footprint in the marine franchising sector, showcasing a forward-thinking approach to industry leadership.